Omni-Health, we believe innovation should empower people, not replace them. In 2025, through collaboration solution provided in St. Anna's Residential and Home Care to bring that vision to life. In July 2025, Omni-Health deployed a state-of-the-art cleaning robot at St. Anna's. Covering over 1,150 square meters in just 2.5 hours, it's transformed daily operations. By automating routine floor cleaning, St. Anna's now saves up to 14 to 21 staff hours every week, time redirected to what matters most: personalized resident interactions, in-room deep cleaning, and care for high-need residents during peak hours. Operating autonomously, even overnight, the robot ensures consistent hygiene while supporting staff well-being and operational excellence. In February 2025, Omni-Health introduced Temi, an intelligent service robot designed to guide, assist, and communicate throughout the facility. Temi helps visitors and residents navigate the facility with ease while providing real-time updates, lifestyle activity reminders, and emergency alerts. With Temi's support, St. Anna's staff can focus on meaningful, human-centered care, while Temi ensures communication and navigation are seamless. Omni-Health continues to redefine what's possible in residential and home care, combining innovation, efficiency, and compassion.